Let me show you how to translate WhatsApp messages. Now, if you're on WhatsApp and somebody sent you a message in a different language, or you wanted to type out a message in a different language and translate it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you're in WhatsApp and somebody sent you a message, you can see somebody sent me this message in Spanish and maybe I can't read Spanish and I wanted to translate that to English, or vice versa. I want to say something like, "Hi, how are you?" And I want to translate this into Spanish. You have a couple different options. You'll be able to see WhatsApp has finally started rolling out translation directly in WhatsApp. However, keep in mind it says we're rolling out message translations to Android and iPhone users gradually. So you might have this feature, you might not. The first thing I would recommend doing is just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, find WhatsApp, and update it if you haven't already to see if you'll get that latest feature. After you've done that, I'll show you how it works. All you need to do in basically WhatsApp in a message is press and hold on that specific message in a different language or that you want to translate. You should see on here a translate option. You can see I don't have that feature yet. Even if I tap on more, it doesn't show translate. However, if you have that, great, you can use that. But if you don't necessarily need it because your phone has a built-in translator. So let's say I want to translate, "Hi, how are you?" I'm going to select all of this text, and then I'm going to swipe over, tap on translate, and I can translate it from English over to whatever else I want. Let's say I want to translate this over to German, and I can basically hit the copy button to copy it. But let's say somebody sent you a message in Spanish. All you need to do is press and hold on that message, hit copy, and then we'll paste it into this text field. From here, all we're going to do is select all of this, and similar as before, all we need to do is swipe over, tap on translate, and you can see it says detected Spanish, and then I can translate that to English immediately on my iPhone or Android, so you don't necessarily need the feature. It just adds a couple additional steps. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.